Naniniwala ba kayo sa idea na stay genuine because table will always turn? Na kahit kaano man kalupit at kasama sa iyong mundo, dahil naging mabuti ka, dahil naging totoo ka, darating at darating yung point na ikaw naman ang nasa ibabaw. Na kahit super effort yung iba na ibaba ka, wala silang magagawa kasi aangat at aangat ka. Hindi dahil lang ginusto mo, pero dahil dun ka dapat. Kasi naging mabuti ka. Always remain humble and never look down on anyone. Nasa taas ka man ngayon, but you will never know where life may take you next. Kaya remember to be genuine and kind always. As God bless you, be a blessing to others. Okay?